Amazfit Bip Lite Smartwatch launching in India soon, Flipkart teaser suggests. Amazfit Bip Lite is teased to launch in India soon. The wearable is listed on Flipkart, and the teaser suggests that it would be a toned-down version of the recently launched Amazfit Bip. The teaser also hints that the Amazfit Bip Lite may come with a heart rate sensor on board. The vanilla Amazfit Bip was launched in India last month, and it comes with a 5 ATM water-resistant build, 40-day battery life, and a color display on board. Flipkart has published a microsite for the Amazfit Bip Lite, hinting at a launch in the future. The teaser page vaguely suggests that the wearable is coming soon, but it doesn't reveal the exact launch date. The page teases that the Amazfit Bip Lite is similar in design as the Amazfit Bip. It has a square dial, a physical button on the right edge of the screen, and buckle strap as well. The teaser video published alongside hints at the Amazfit Bip Lite being lighter in weight than the vanilla model. It also teases the wearable to be lighter in design and lighter on the pocket. This could mean that the Amazfit Bip Lite may be cheaper than the Amazfit Bip. To recall, the Amazfit Bip is priced in India at 4,999 rupees. Apart from this, the Flipkart page reveals that the Amazfit Bip Lite will come with Xiaomi-developed proprietary PPG sensors. The teaser also suggests that there will be a heart rate sensor on board. To recall the specifications of the base Amazfit Bip model, it comes with a 1.28-inch transflective color TFT display and an array of sensors that include a BioTracker PPG optical sensor, 3-axis acceleration, and a 3-axis geomagnetic sensor. The smartwatch also has continuous heart rate tracking and heart rate warning. It includes an always-on display functionality, and has Bluetooth V5.0 and Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) support on the connectivity front. It also has GPS plus GLONASS for satellite-based positioning. The smartwatch packs a 200 mAh battery that is claimed to provide up to 30 days of usage or 90 days of standby time on a single charge. The battery pack is also touted to last up to 40 days of charge with a minimal usage. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.